G'day everyone, this is Daniel O'Grady and hope you're doing well. And what a week of ups and downs. It has been ridiculous. Last Sunday, an actual event post-COVID. I'm choking. Actual choke. But then during the week, heavy rains. Ridiculous. Silver lining is I got a day and a half off work. Actually, that's pretty great. And then just on, yesterday or the day before, I got the rough draft from the Aussies All Designed WasabiCars t-shirt that's going to be coming up. Save your pennies, people. I'm going to get them properly screen printed. It's going to be great. Limited run, and I'm going to talk about it a lot over the coming weeks. I'm going to annoy you, just saying. Now let's answer a couple of questions, those being, what is it and how rare is it? Well, it's a 1989 Suzuki Alto SLIDESLIM, and how rare is it? Well, how about the legendary Ken Mary Skyline GTR? They didn't make many, but I've seen a few. And how about the rare and special Luce Rotary Coupe? I've seen heaps. And how about the Mazda Roadster-based Stage 21 RSR40? You know, to be honest, I've seen just one, and that felt like just way too many times. Just wow, would you look at that? And look, I'll put it to you, if you were to think of cars with two doors that slide, you're probably thinking of drifting. And the reason I shoehorn that in here is because it's Alexi Smith's birthday. So go and say happy birthday, and he'll get a nice surprise. Yeah, that's a bit of a better look at the sliding door mechanism, but we are going to get right up in that a bit later. I just want to talk for a second about the third generation Suzuki Alto, which was built from 1988 to 1994, and it was where the 550cc Kei Car era ended and the 660 Kei Car era started. This one is from 1989, and I think from 1990 it went to 660. And of this era, I'm not seeing too many around. There's a real boring one in town, and then at a car park of an event, I saw this one, and it's got those sweet wheels on it, those AC Courageous wheels. Just one more time, AC Courageous. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce that, but they are real popular wheels. Very tricky indeed. The original front bumper's been ditched. They've got an Alto Works version in there. They've had to do some cutting, but it looks pretty tricky. But for now, let's check out the interior. We've got doilies looking so good, but look at the driver's seat. That's sitting at a bit of an angle, and we're going to find out why. Swivel frickin' seats and slidey doors. I mean, this is made for people who have difficulty in accessing a regular car, and I'm not gonna lie, I've had days when I've needed something just like this. And just because I can, a couple of pics from the brochure. Looking so good, dare I say, downright perky. You know, this car just needs to do nothing else to impress me. Absolutely nothing. I mean, it's a little bit lowered. It's got the work-equipped wheels, which look fantastic. It's got slidey doors and swivelly seats. It's amazing. And yet, there is still more to say about this car. And let's have a look under the bonnet. Look at that. Turbo intercooled, double overhead cam, Works engine. It's got the Alto Works engine in the car. Unbelievable. And what's even more unbelievable is that the owner, I think, got it for a song because 5 years ago, the previous owner, who had done all this work, was going to throw it away. Was actually going to get this car crushed. Now, what the heck is going on in the minds of people who would throw away a car as cool as this? Does my head in. Can I have some music? Yeah. Okay, I've got a bit of a favour to ask, and I don't usually hit you up, but this is such a cool car, and I would really love to see this car find its audience. I know there are people out there who are big on the Kei Car, and if you know anyone who might be interested in having a look at this video, please consider sharing it with them. That would be awesome. And also, if you have got this far and you are not already subscribed, please consider that, and also consider clicking that bell because, yes, live shows are back, people. And with that ominous warning, I am out of here, people. So thanks so much for joining me. I'll be back next Saturday with another one. Who knows what it's going to be? I certainly don't. Anyway, have a good week and see you then. Goodbye.